Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again, and right next to me is a new build. I built this for a client who wanted more productivity and light gaming, and also she doesn't want to break the bank. So it's around under $1,000. Most of the parts are new, maybe 10% of the parts are used that I purchased from Facebook for the customer. She didn't really care about if it's used as long as it's working fine and I make sure it works. For example, one of the used parts would be the PSU. That's actually an ATX PSU. It's not designed for this case, because this case is designed for only the SFX PSU. But I figured, you know what, look on YouTube to see, is there a way to do it? Yes, there is a way to do it. There's one video on YouTube that shows you how to do it. By what they did was they grab a hammer and hammer the back plate down until one of the plates bend down. That's what they did. But what I did for this one, you will see my video that what I did was I grabbed a cloth on one hand and a cloth at the bottom and just push it down to bend it down with my hand. I didn't want to break anything or over bend something, so that's what I did. It actually works really well. In my opinion, it doesn't require a lot of banging. You see the other video, it's actually funny. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, help support me, thank you. And under my description, I will show you all the links that I purchased the parts. Majority of the time I was looking for parts that was on sale. And like I said, Facebook Marketplace is a great place to buy parts also. But other than that, let's get started. I know this case is designed only for the SFX power supply, but I'm gonna put a regular P power supply ATX into here. What I'm gonna do is I am going to bend this right here. I'm gonna bend it down to give it room, and I'm gonna use the holes right here to attach in the back of this power supply. So it's gonna go in here, gonna go in here and here. So to keep it up, it should work. I did saw this from another YouTube channel, so I'm gonna reference that channel on my description, so you guys can see where I got it from. But it looks like you could do it, so I'm gonna do it right now. I believe you can bend it down. You don't have to hammer it like the other guys. See that? I just bent it down. And let's see if this goes in. And there it is. Look at that, it fits. So there you have it, a regular
ATX PSU into a mini ITX case, the Lian 152.